We'll guide you through how to make blur mask in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many video editors want to create a blur effect with focus on specific areas, but do not know how to use overlays and masks in CapCut. First, open your CapCut application on your device to begin editing your video. Once the app is open, create a new video by clicking the New Project button on the screen. After that, import your clip into the project by selecting it from your gallery. When the clip is loaded, add the clip to the timeline so you can start editing it. Next, duplicate the clip so you have a copy to work with for effects. After duplicating, select the copied clip, which will now appear as an overlay clip above the original one. Then, look at the left side menu and find the Effects section. Click on the Effects section to open the available effects. After that, tap on the search bar within the Effect menu and type Blur to find the blur effect quickly. Once you see the blur effect, drag it and apply it to the overlay clip. After applying the effect, go to the right side menu and set the intensity of the blur according to your preference. Adjust it carefully so the effect looks smooth and not too strong. Next, tap on the overlay clip again to continue editing it. On the side menu, find the mask section and tap on it to open mask options. Then, add a mask by choosing any type of mask you want from the available shapes. After selecting the mask, adjust the mask in the way you want it by resizing or repositioning it on the screen. Make sure the masked area highlights the part you want while keeping the rest blurred. Take your time to refine the effect so it looks clean and visually appealing. Once you are done with all adjustments, check everything carefully, including the blur intensity and mask placement, before you close the project. If something does not look right, make small adjustments until you are satisfied. Following these steps will help you create a professional blur effect using overlays and masks in CapCut. Practicing this process regularly will improve your editing skills and allow you to create more creative and polished videos over time.